Let's fire up the grinder. Ah. It's awful.
Oh, lovely.
Let's get you spinning. How old was the oldest recorded cow, Big Bertha, when she died in 1993?
Your time starts now.
100? 103?
No.
56?
No.
48?
Correct. Correct.
Yay!
48 was correct.
Woo!
Well done. 1 star, 1 meal for camp.
Woo!
Right, let's move on to round 2. Let's fire up the grinder.
What's going to come down the chute now?
God, sounds hard. What the hell is that?
It's cheese.
Oh, lovely.
Stinky, stinky cheese.
Oh, lovely.
Let's spin the grinder. According to a survey, what are the 3 most popular cheeses in the UK? Your time starts now.
Cheddar?
Yes?
Halloumi? Mozzarella?
No.
Camembert?
No.
I can't think of any. Can't think of any names.
One's got a colour in its title.
Brie?
Oh, yes, that's one.
Blue cheese?
No.
No, wrong colour.
Green cheese?
No.
Purple?
No.
Brown?
No.
Red cheese? Red Leicester?
Yes! Stop the clock.
Oh!
You got them. That's another star, another meal for camp.
Really good enthusiasm there.
Yeah.
Well done, Frankie. OK.
Let's fire up the grinder.
Oh, you can tell what that is. It's eggs.
Looks like puke.
OK, let's spin again. The question is, you have 15 boxes of eggs. Each box has a dozen eggs inside. How many eggs do you have in total? Your time starts now. Count.
162?
Keep guessing.
170?
No.
180?
Yes!
Well done. Stop the grinder.
Give me a...
Well done. That's 3 stars, 3 meals for camp.
How is it in there, Frankie?
It's wonderful. This is the most food I've seen for weeks.
Well done. 3 out of 3 so
Okay.
far. 6 to go.
OK.
Let's fire up the grinder. Here we go.
Oh, I know that sound.
Oh, no.
That's rotten fruit and veg.
Lovely.
Let's go for a spin. Here comes your question. Dauphinoise potatoes are made with cream and garlic. Just spell dauphinoise. 60 seconds. Your time starts now.
D-A-U?
Yep.
L?
No.
No.
Start again.
D-A-U-P?
Yeah.
H?
Yeah.
I?
Yeah.
N?
Yeah.
A-U-R-E?
No.
D-A-U?
Yeah.
L?
No.
No, D-A-U-P-H?
Yeah.
L-E?
No.
Stop.
Start again.
D-A-U?
10 seconds
T?
left.
Yeah.
H?
Yeah.
A?
No.
Time up. Time up.
Oh, you were close.
Spell it, Deck.
D-A-U.
Yeah.
P-H.
Yeah.
I-N-O-I-S-E.
Oh, I wouldn't have got that.
Yeah,
Well,
we
you
know.
didn't.
You didn't get it.
So that's the first one you drop. After 4 rounds, you've got 3 stars.
Okay.
Should we carry on?
Yeah.
And let's fire up the grinder. Oh. That's fish, Frankie.
Oh.
Let's get you spinning. Here's your question. How many fish fingers are eaten in the UK every day?
Your time starts now.
8,000?
Higher!
10,000?
Much higher.
820,000?
Much higher.
A million?
Higher.
2 million?
Lower.
1.5 million?
Yes! That's a lot of fish fingers.
I think my kids probably eat most of those.
Well done.
God.
That's 4 out of 5. On to round number 6. Let's fire up the grinder. Pizza. Let's spin the grinder. Italy is the home of pizza. Name 3 of the 6 countries that share a land border with Italy.
Land
The
border?
time starts now.
Spain?
No. Yes!
Portugal?
No.
England?
No.
England. Newcastle, just shout countries.
Well, Germany?
No. 10 seconds left.
Switzerland?
Yes!
Right, one more.
One more.
Time up.
That's time on this one. Oh!
I didn't think pizza would be the worst one.
No, me neither. You could have had Austria, Slovenia, Vatican City, or San Marino.
Would never have got them.
Unlucky, no star that time.
OK, Frankie, this is round 7. Let's fire up the grinder. What could possibly be coming down the grinder now?
Doesn't seem so bad, this one.
That is ground up birthday cake.
Oh, lovely.
Let's turn the grinder. Question 7. Kiosk Cledwin turned 66 earlier this year. In what year was he born? Time started.
1970.
No.
1976.
No.
1954.
Oh, close.
1956.
No!
1957.
No!
No way.
1955.
Yes!
Well done. Oh, that's 5 out of a possible 7 stars.
OK, here we go. Let's fire up the grinder.
Oh, what is that?
This is a baked selection
Oh, lovely.
with beans and gravy on the side.
Oh.
This is a proper northern meal
Ah.
list. Proper meal list. Let's spin the grinder. Name 3 ingredients in a classic Cornish pasty filling. Your time starts now.
Potato.
Yes.
Raspberry.
Yeah, we'll take that. Yeah.
Vegetables. Carrots. Peas.
No.
Fruit.
Did you say Swede?
I can't hear.
Did you say Swede?
Did you say Swede? Was it Swede you said? Stop the grinder.
Potato.
Did
Yeah,
you?
we got potato, we got potato, we got beef. Did you say Swede?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
OK,
good.
we'll take that.
Oh, well done.
Well done. Yeah, you said mince, potatoes, Swede. Did you say Swede?
Yeah.
You did say Swede.
I can smell the Swede.
Onion, salt and pepper.
Oh,
Taken
yeah.
any of those.
One more to go.
Hey.
Let's fire up the grinder.
What on earth is... Oh, I've guessed it.
Curry.
It's a curry, yeah, you're right.
curry.
It's a curry with rice, poppadoms, mango chutney, etc.
Oh, yeah.
OK,
A right good Saturday night takeaway, that, isn't it?
it really is. Let's spin the grinder. According to a survey, what are the 3 most popular curry dishes in the UK? Time starts now.
Chicken tikka.
Yes.
Cornwall.
Yes.
Dalhousie.
Yeah! Wow!
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Well done. 7 out of 9. Let's get you out of there.
That is rank.
So we've worked out your geography's bad.
So bad.
Your spelling's not great.
No, I've
Your
written
maths
two
is
books.
terrible, but you love a good curry.
I do love a good curry. I've had a long time to think about food in here,
Right,
guys.
yeah.
Everyone's going to be so jealous.
I mean, it looks like you've just been sick on.
It looks like I've been on a massive night out.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
and it's ended badly.
But you did manage to secure 7 out of 9 stars.
I'm so pleased.
Listen, well done.
Thanks, guys.
Make your way back.
Head back, tell me the good news and enjoy your dinner.
OK, thank you.
See you
I'll
later.
just waddle off. Bye.
Well off.
Bye.
Go and have a curry for dinner tonight, guys.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
idea.
Bye.
What a good idea.
I'll have curry again.